Hi guys.
Hi.
We're doing a little Christmas tree decorating. Oh, it's looking good. I know, little Bryson wants to help. Ah, hi. Hey. Hi.
Here comes another ornament. Uh-oh, something
Good job,
fell.
Byron.
Something fell.
I don't know. Looks okay to me. Keep going. Oh. Do one more,
One more.
just for this video.
I'll find a good one.
Very good.
Oh, here comes the choo-choo train. That's it. Well, almost.
Okay. It's looking really good. Come say Merry Christmas.
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Hey, you do.